By now, you probably know that email is a smart, cost-efficient way of building deeper relationships with your customers and prospects. But managing email conversations over time can be challenging. That's where ListTrack Conductor can help. ListTrack Conductor is a new feature that helps marketers automate email responses based on respondent behavior. How does it work? ListTrack Conductor enables you to set up emails that are automatically sent as people interact with your website, email campaigns, or even offline events. Because people behave differently, the emails they receive are specific to their actions, and each conversation is individualized and customized to their exact needs. And because the emails are set up in advance, the conversations occur naturally, without you having to respond manually. This type of event-triggered messaging is what makes ListTrack Conductor such a powerful tool. Sound complicated? It's not. With ListTrack Conductor, you plot your conversations whiteboard style on a simple interface that lets you see each path from start to finish. Let's say you want to send out an email with a special offer. Those respondents who click through to your landing page can receive a different email than those who didn't. Those who took advantage of the offer can be sent a different email too, say a thank you note. Because it's automated, ListTrack Conductor can trigger emails to be sent before birthdays, anniversaries, and other reminder milestones. In fact, any event you can think of can be built into your conversation so that it automatically triggers a message. There's no limit to the number of messages you can send or the number of triggers you can include. Plus, ListTrack Conductor works seamlessly with ListTrack's powerful subscriber profiling tools. That means you can easily group your audience according to attributes, such as location, and carry on a different conversation with each group. ListTrack Conductor's reporting tools are visual as well. Just roll over a step and you'll see how respondents have behaved at that step. In fact, ListTrack Conductor has been designed with ease of use in mind. Features like ready-to-use templates, built-in flow testing and validity checks, autosave capabilities, and contact import wizards mean that even elaborate email campaigns can be mapped out in minutes. That enables you to build deeper relationships with your customers and prospects while spending less time managing them. Today, the road to successful subscriber and customer interactions starts with deeper relationships. ListTrack Conductor. Find out how far you can go with a powerful engine behind you. To see ListTrack Conductor in action, contact us today.